Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my 5th entry to my IC challenge here on YouTube. And I'm going to be doing a video, just an update video of my challenge, because I think when I did the video, I said the beginning of June, and later on I decided not to do it that way. But I will do a separate video on that. So today I got a package in the mail from Judy Evans Parker. Hey Judy! She has sent her entry in, and oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And it's a 4x6 card. It has beautiful flowers that she created. Here's some cheesecloth, I want to say, and some beautiful, these look like prima butterflies, and some pearl swirls here and there. She's inked the edges, and it says embrace dreams. How pretty! I love it, Judy. It's so beautiful, and I love these flowers with the bling in the middle. You did an awesome job. If you see the black mat, I am sorta making some flowers. I was chatting with some ladies online, and they were telling me about this punch, and I'm thinking, you know, I think I have that punch. So I did, and it's this punch here, the retro punch. I don't know why I haven't used, but so I'm in the process of making some flowers. I've been watching some videos. So anyway, let's read what we have here. So her name is Judy Evans Parker. Her birthday is July 1st. She lives in New York, but I think she has another house in Georgia, and she goes down there during the winter. Her favorite color is all. She loves them all. Favorite style, all. Wish list is Happy Mail. Aww. And she gave me her email address. So thank you, Judy. This is awesome entry. And I just want to show you guys what I'm putting them in, okay? I just went to Michael's today, and they were having a sale. And I bought a photo box, and I'm going to put all my, let me back you up here. I'm going to put all my IC cards in here, because they fit perfectly, I have to say. And here are the ones that I have so far, and I'm putting Judy's right here as my 5th one. And when my challenge is all over, I'm going to organize them by date of birthdays and stuff. And I think a lot of women, a lot of ladies here have done that. I'm going to make up some cards, some index cards that has the month on them, and I'm going to put them all in here. And I only bought one box. If I get a whole lot more, I may have to run out and get another box. But this is what I'm doing, and I think this would be great. I can flip through them, and they're perfect size for these photo boxes. Are the perfect size for them. And I really love this box here. It's kind of like a gray watercolor, and it has a beautiful watercolor top here that says "Be Happy." And I thought that was just so sweet and perfect for my challenge. So thanks, Judy, for your entry. I love it. And thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and be safe. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Bye.